Hello students, welcome in my channel. I am Mukesh sir. Students, we discussed in previous video about Roman system of numeration. How we can repeat, which letters we can repeat, and then which letter we can't repeat. Why? Because in ancient time Roman mathematician used 7 symbol for right number system of numeration. That number system is known as Roman system of numeration. But student, today we will discuss what is the rule, how we can write more than number, how we can use that symbol for write any number, that about we will discuss. So students, first today's topic is addition principle in numeration system of Roman. Addition principle. Addition principle for Roman system of numeration. When a smaller number, students see here, when a smaller number is written, when a smaller number is written on the right of a larger number, when a smaller number is written on a right of a larger number, the smaller number is as the smaller number is added to the larger number. Students. When a smaller number is written on the right of a larger number, the smaller number is added to the larger number. Example, students, we already familiar V. What is the meaning of V? 5. Meaning of 5. And then what is the meaning of I? The meaning of I in Roman system of numeration is 1. If according to this definition I want to write a smaller number is right in rightmost side of the larger number. That means V after V is larger than I according to Roman system of numeration. When I write here I, then what is the meaning? What is the definition of this principle? When a smaller number is written on the right of a larger number, a smaller number is written right of the larger number, the smaller number is added to the larger number. That means 5 plus 1, that means 6. But we should concentrate the rule. How? VI, that means 5 plus 1. Why? Because smaller number is written in rightmost side of the larger number. So what is the meaning of VI? That means 6, students. So students, we see here, when a smaller number is written to the left of a larger number, the smaller number is subtracted from larger number. That means, students, if I want to write 5 and then one smaller number is I that means 1, and then V that means 5. Why? Because 1 is smaller than V, 5. So when I write here IV, then according to definition, when a smaller number is written to the left of a larger number, the smaller number is subtracted from larger number. That means V minus 1, that means 5 minus 1, their meaning is 4. So students, it's a very simple, you can write here. When a smaller number is written left of the larger number, then smaller number is subtracted from larger number. My dear students, one thing I would like to say to you, wait a minute. Okay, come to the point, students. Now we will study some special rule in subtraction principle. Symbol VLD. Hello students, symbol VLD are, what is symbol VLD are never subtracted, never subtracted. VLD are never subtracted. And then some special rule for you. VLD are never subtracted. Learn it better. VLD. First number, one rule more. I, that means 1, can be subtracted. 1 can be subtracted. Subtracted from V and X only. That means I can be subtracted from V and X only. That means 1 can be subtracted from 5 and 10 only in Roman system of numeration. Second is X, that means 10, can be subtracted. X can be subtracted from L and C only, that means 50 and 100. X can be subtracted from L and C only. And third number is C can be, that means 100. C can be subtracted from D and M only. Students, that is special rule. I can be subtracted from V and X only. X can be subtracted from L and C only. C can be subtracted from D and M only. You can understand that things in subtracted rule. My dear students, when we write here some number, suppose X, and we can't write V, their meaning is, what is 15, but I want to write what is the, L. L is greater than X, that means L, their meaning is 50, so their meaning is what is 40. Okay, 40, because 50 minus X. And then rule I have said already, what is X can be subtracted from L and C only, that means X, C we can write, that is rule. So similar you can write, very easy rule in the Roman system of numeration.